Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles to your videos using Adobe After Effects and HitPaw Edimakor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add subtitles to your video. Let's get started. Open Adobe After Effects. First, import your video. Then right-click your time link and click New Text. And here you can see a red bar. That's where your subtitle will be. To add a subtitle, you just need to make sure that the subtitle clip has been selected. And then just type whatever you want. You can see the subtitle you typed on the screen. And you can adjust its position, size, and color. Finally, you can adjust its duration to make sure it's fit for your audio. Copy and paste. You can have another subtitle clip which is the same format as your first subtitle. And you can click and type the next sentence here. That's it for After Effects. Now let's jump into HitPaw Edimakor. Open HitPaw Edimakor and create a new project. Import your video and add it to your timeline. Click Text in the toolbar and drag your favorite text into the timeline. Type whatever you want in the right panel and adjust the size, position, and text style of the subtitle. Adjust its duration to fit your audio clip with this black bar on both sides of the text clip. If you want to add more text, select the text clip and copy and paste. As you can see, your second text clip will keep the formatting of your first text clip. Change its content in the right panel, and then change its start time and end time. Repeat the steps above. You can have a subtitled video. This way is a little bit waste of time. Fortunately, HitPaw Edimakor allows you to use AI to generate subtitles. Human voices can be recognized in audio and video and automatically generate subtitles. Click Subtitles Auto Subtitles. Selected clip allows you to only get subtitles of the clips you want. Main timeline allows you to generate subtitles for the whole video. You just need to choose one and click Auto Subtitling. The subtitles of your video will be generated soon. If you have local subtitles, click Local Subtitles. Upload your video script file and drag it to the timeline. And your subtitles will be automatically placed. Moreover, if your video script is in text or Word format, you can click Manual Subtitles, select Paste Words, and split them into subtitles. Then copy and paste the text here, and separate it wherever you want by pressing Enter. Finally, click Generate Subtitles, and your subtitles will be automatically generated and separated. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment below the video. And if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. See you next video.